Make our artwork. Ew, you're wasting my Q-tips. I'm not for my art.
Oh, my game is looking really good. Get him. Get him. Huh? Message? I'm playing a game. Oh. It's a message from the TikTok master.
Oh,
You look at it. I don't want to look at it anymore.
Okay, fine. Let's see what she has to say now.
My sisters, I left you a gift on your front door. Time is ticking. You have 1 hour to complete these TikToks, or I'll delete your new channel that no one's even watching.
At her door. Who is that? She was here?
I guess. Hey, she left us a gift.
She didn't leave us a gift, fam.
What?
She never leaves us gifts.
Oh, you're right. It's probably things to do TikToks with.
You did. Let's just go together.
Okay.
Oh. Who's there? Nobody's here.
I see the box. It's right there. Not too much.
I'm really nervous. I wonder what's in this box this time.
I don't know. Let's open it up.
It's like really giant.
What?
That's a
this?
lot of stuff in this box.
Ooh, some lip balm. I need
Hey,
this. My lips are
I
kind of
like
dry
these
right now.
lip balms. Maybe she's saying that you have dried lips.
Let's see what else is in here.
What is that?
I don't know. It looks like milk. It might be milk.
It's cold.
Let's see.
Wait a minute. If it's cold, that means that she was just here. Ooh. What else is in this box?
Ooh, some scrunchies.
Oh, I needed some scrunchies.
One on each arm.
Hey, one's for me.
Oh, whoopsie. Got some bowls. Need some cereal in here.
This contraption.
Oh,
So,
food coloring.
what on earth is all this stuff? What does she want us to make?
Well, we need to do some TikTok research.
Correct. What kind of TikToks are these? I'm so confused. What is this used for? She wants us to make a latte or what?
Wait a minute. This is a wick.
And?
So we probably need to make a candle. This is the wick.
Oh! This is a thing to
Yeah.
melt the candle in. But
Wait.
where's the wax?
It's the lip balm. It's like a DIY thing. Have you seen it?
Hold on. I think I saw this on TikTok the other day. Oh! She does want us to make a candle thing with lip balm in. Hey, this must be the candle. No, this can't be. It's plastic. This must be the candle holder. Okay, well, we figured one thing out. Okay, let's do this first because she says we have 1 hour. Okay, friends, I guess on today on Life Sisters, we're gonna learn how to make a DIY candle out of lip balm. We really don't know how to do this, so we'll learn together. So normally to make a candle, I'm thinking you have to melt something down.
In
So
this case.
This is the lip balm. I mean, it's kind of made out of wax. I don't know if it's made out of wax. I'm just gonna assume so. And then this thing heats up the wax, and I have a kind of little hot plate thing here. So I'm guessing we put this here, and we somehow take whatever is inside here and put it in here. Melt it to like a liquid and then pour it in here. Does that logic make sense? Am I making sense here?
I think it makes a lot of sense. And the awesome thing is these lip balms are scented.
Oh, they
We got
are?
a scented candle.
Ooh, it's gonna be like a rainbow scented candle. Okay, hopefully this smells good. So we have to make a TikTok video while doing this. So I say we do like a scan of this lip balm before I mess it all up because it's awesome.
Okay, so I say you do this video and I'm going to scan the lip balm first though, because it looks awesomely colorful. Okay, here we go. Awesome.
Okay, now I think I should make like a clip that says like the intro, like, hey, let's make some DIY. What should we call this? DIY candle. Okay, I'm on the phone and let's turn this around. All right. Okay, got this. Okay. let's make some. Wait a minute, my bangs. Nobody told me my bangs are all. You gotta, look out for me. You gotta make sure I look good, girl.
Well, you are on selfie mode, so I figure you can see it yourself.
Okay, but you can't let me walk around looking like this, you guys. Okay, got this. And here we go. Let's make a DIY candle with lip balm. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, next.
Okay, I say we get moving and just take out the lip balm.
Okay, Racia.
You know I'm gonna win this one.
Hey, I got 4. Oh.
Woo! Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay.
I don't know what they smell. Watermelon, my fave. Oh my goodness.
We
Smell this?
have 1 hour.
Yeah. Wait, 1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay,
get moving.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this candle warmer thing on this hot plate thingy. I'm gonna put it to medium, let that warm up. Okay, so I filled that. Oh, that looks good. You're so creative. Maybe you should do a scan of that. Okay, so you'll scan, and then I'll put my hand in and I'll open one. But we can talk to each other because I'll just mute the clip.
Yep, go ahead.
Okay, so I'm getting this, and I'm gonna shake it, I'm gonna take that off, and I'm gonna open that out. This smells so good, you guys, and it's so pretty. And let's remove the lip balm, and there we go. All right, now I gotta put this in the little hot plate candle thing. You ready, fam?
Ready.
And go ahead. Ooh, look at it melt. Well, that's like really cool. It's melting fast. We gotta hurry.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I say we like open all of these. Erase, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
Come on, fingers.
Faster. Ha! One!
That was a close one.
Oh, and this smells good. Okay, we're gonna do the rest out. Now let's put it in our contraption. You ready, fam?
Mm-hmm.
And go ahead. Wait for it to melt. Oh my goodness, check it out. Okay guys, let's go ahead and pour it in. You ready, fam?
Mm.
Good thing we got that candle wax holder thing. Is that all the candle we're making?
It looks like it.
It looks like so much more. We need like 5 more packs of lip balm.
Maybe even more because it gets wider as it goes up.
What a cheap TikTok master.
Well, maybe she's never done it before, so she has no idea.
This is all we're getting for this DIY candle. That's embarrassing.
Hey, that's actually a good thing because it didn't take us long to do this TikTok.
Yeah, you are right.
So-
But I'm guessing it's gonna like dry like this, and that's how you make a DIY candle out of lip balm. Okay, let's go on to the next TikTok. Okay, that candle one took 30 minutes. So only have 30 minutes to do whatever's in this box.
Okay,
And wait a minute, this scrunchie, didn't this come from the box?
Oh, that's right. This has to be the scrunchie challenge.
No.
Yeah, it has to be.
What is the scrunchie challenge?
The one where you flip and down.
Oh, and I can put it in a bun.
Yeah,
that one. But how do you do that? There's no way. I mean, okay. I can't even get all my hair up in half a second.
Okay, I know they start the video like this always, and then flip. I got most of it.
How did you do that? Okay, so I put it like this.
Crazy.
And then what? That's step 1.
Okay, like this.
Okay.
And then you flip your hair down and you grab it, put it halfway in, I think like this.
Okay, I'm gonna try this. And
That
and I can put it in a bun. Hey, it didn't say it had to be a messy bun or not messy bun.
Okay, I'm gonna practice.
Would you be my friend if I walked around like this still?
Maybe not. Anyways, we only have 30 minutes to get it together. So, I gotta get this perfect.
Alright, let me try it one more time.
This is perfect.
Okay, ready? I raise you. Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
I don't think yours it's like this
Hey,
is half
look
your
at
head.
this. Check this out. There is a bun right here.
A black bun.
Okay, I say I just film you because, hey, you got this. perfect bun. All right, I'll just film you do this one because not for me. I got too much hair. All right, you ready?
Okay. I literally only have like a couple of seconds to do this.
You got this. I loaded everything on TikTok. I got the song.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Hold on, let me get you in better. And ready, set, go.
Wait, I forgot to put it on my hands. Hold on. Okay, I gotta start like this first.
Let me restart this. Woo, come on, fam, you got this. Okay, and ready, set, go.
I like that last part too. All right, let's check to see if I did it quick enough.
Okay, let's check it out. Oh my goodness, check that out. You got it in a bun. I love it. Oh man.
Oh, oh.
Oh girl, you feisty. Look at that laugh at the end. Love it. I think the TikTok master would be real proud.
I think so
We
too.
got that done in under like 10 minutes. We got 20 more minutes to go. We got this, girl.
We gotta still figure out what it is we have
So
to
this
do
is
in
what's
that one.
left in this mystery box. We have milk that's still cold. We got Dawn soap, this plastic cup, and a bowl with food coloring and Q-tips. I mean, what is this
Wait a
Q-tip for?
minute.
My ears?
This kind of seems like that science experiment.
What are you talking about?
You know the milk art one?
No. I don't spend my
I
time
really-
watching science experiments.
What in
That's
the
not
way?
what I spend my time doing.
Okay, well let's look it up.
Oh,
on
that's
Tik-
dirty.
Do you want the TikTok master to delete our account?
No, but my ears are
Then you
really
need to
dirty.
start listening.
I can't hear you.
Okay, give me the phone and I will show you what I'm talking about.
Hold on. I might poke my ear out. Oh, much better.
Oh, here it is. Here, right here.
Talking
See?
about.
You just put milk in a
I'm
bowl.
glad one of us got frames because we only got 20 minutes to do this TikTok.
Whoa! Look!
What?
Check out our candle. It's hardened. I love the color.
Oh! Ooh, I'm gonna smell it. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like berries. Here, smell it.
That's great.
This is awesome!
I'm moving on.
Yes, because we only have 20 minutes. Okay, so how do we do this?
All right, so first we need to put the milk in.
Okay.
And then we probably want to also put some of this in there to get it prepared.
Slow down step by step. My brain's not processing.
Okay, milk in here.
Okay, let's just film that first. All right, you ready, fam?
Mhm.
And go.
Pour milk into a bowl.
Okay, now what?
Now we're gonna add food coloring into our bowl.
Alrighty. What color you want to start with? Purple. Your favorite, I guess.
I don't think I'm gonna go with purple.
What?
I'm gonna go with this blue.
My favorite color.
Next, add food coloring.
Whoa, that looks crazy.
Yeah, that's a lot of colors.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now what?
Now we need to add the soap into our cup.
Alright. Pour this in.
But I'm gonna leave that on our TikTok. I don't really think they would know that.
Okay.
Okay.
And what are the Q-tips for? My nose?
No, the Q-tip is to dip into the Dawn and then make our artwork. Ew, you're wasting my Q-tips. I'm not
my art! Here you go. I can see my
Hey,
laser.
yay. Okay. So
Okay, all clean.
I'm going to put this in the
Mhm.
soap and then I'll move it here to show you the art.
Okay, awesome. You need to give me instructions?
Yep.
Maybe I'll do like this. That's what I'll do. All right, you ready?
And
And go.
next, touch your Q-tip into the soap and then touch your food coloring. Voila! We have milk art.
Oh my goodness, that's awesome. I want to try to give me a Q-tip.
Okay, here.
Let me see, get a lot of soap. And let's see. Oh, look at that. Whoa, that was awesome. I totally learned something today. I learned how to put my, wait, hold on.
What did you learn? Because I did that one.
button.
You know what? I really need you to check to see how much time or if we made it. Because
Oh, we made it, Princess Bam. We have a whole 5 minutes left.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. That
I
was
mean,
super
I wasn't
stressful.
stressing. Why are you stressing?
Because I don't like to get deleted.
We're not getting deleted.
Well, we would have if it wasn't for me. I had to do the milk art and I had to do my hair flip and everything.
Hey, what about my candle DI? Text message?
I see that you made it, but the real test is to see if anyone is even watching your lame TikToks. In the end, I'll be the one to determine your faith. See you later. I'll be watching.
Whoa! Who does she think she is?
I don't know. And why is she calling it lame? She's the one that chooses which TikToks we do.
I know, and she didn't even give us enough lip balm. I mean, look at our candle. There's barely anything in there.
That's true. That was a fail.
But help us out, you guys, because we definitely don't want to get deleted. We just started this account, so please leave comments below. Leave lots of thumbs up. Leave us what video you want us to make next. And as always,
We laugh together.
we cry together.
Sisters for life.